So today might actually be one of my favorite outdoor setups that I've done. Right now, I'm sitting out on the patio with a gorgeous sunset. And tonight I'm showing you these NVBT large solar lanterns. I'm also showing it along with the medium and small size. These are solar powered, waterproof, and designed to turn on automatically at dusk. And I love how they look styled together. First off, these lanterns are simply beautiful. They're made of metal, so they feel sturdy and they're very well built. They're not cheap or plastic looking. The design is simple, it's modern and elegant, which works with farmhouse, rustic, and modern outdoor spaces. And I love that they come in the different sizes because you can mix and match them for a layered look. These are completely solar powered, which I really appreciate. So there's no cords, no outlets, no batteries. All you do is set them out in the sun during the day and they charge on their own. Then at night, they automatically turn on at dusk. No remembering, no timers, no hassle. Right now, I have all of them styled on the table together. This is the large, the medium, and the small one. Together, they look so good. It creates this cozy layered glow that makes the whole patio feel warm and inviting. With the sunset in the background, it honestly looks like something straight out of a magazine. These give off a 3000K warm glow, which is my favorite. It's not harsh, it's not blue, and it's not blinding. It's soft, cozy, and relaxing. We were sent these lights to test out, and honestly, these are some of my favorites. As the sun goes down, these turn on automatically and they glow beautifully.